One wheel.
Keys.
You can't just let it dangle.
Ow. Do I keep this on?
Wow, if only there was a booklet right there.
Have you ever put a bike together? I've never assembled one before.
I pulled my bike out of the trash. Did you even read the instructions, or did you just pick them up and throw them? Go herping goes back to elementary school. Oh, why are your hands so red?
Wait.
Did you install it wrong?
I installed it sideways. Isn't the wheel supposed to turn when I turn it?
Maybe. Wow, if only there was a cool little object like came with the bike. Are you fucking kidding me?
Can you get the wheel?
Can I get the wheel? Can I get the... Oh, the wheel has zip ties. Ow!
See, there's something missing.
Have you considered
it might be in the box.
Reading the instructions to the bike?
Oh, this is the charger.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how's your unboxing going so far?
10.
Okay, now not for the sponsor. How's it going?
4. What is this? Wait, this isn't American.
That's European, isn't it?
Oh, that's not American.
I only know America units.
Feel it. I don't know if it's for. Well, maybe.
Read the f***ing instructions.
I just want to ride my bike. Okay, install front wheel. Take install onto the axle.
What? Whoa! Tricks! Your hands are so red. Turning into that blueberry from Willy Wonka.
Oh! Okay. Can you help me? It says there's a nut on the front sole. Not axle, just sole. That should be placed on me.
Someone with a macro fetish is like absolutely jorking it right now.
It's like sticking out a lot.
Whoops. It's Be Real time. What would you do if I wasn't here? Build it wrong? Die on the highway?
Cry. Shit.
Would you rather, I don't know, be happy or live as you are, or be sad?
Wait, this has little ridges too.
Yeah, you put the ridges on bike side.
Ridge wallet?
Sponsor of today's video. I'm bored. Ooh.
Put in the collar and tighten the nut. It doesn't say like how tight to do it.
That's good, I think.
That sounds like a name, like Tyrone.
My mommy's calling! We're building a bike.
I just watched Alex's video of his house tour.
How is it?
I like the lights in his house.
Look, it still doesn't turn the wheel.
You broke it! So you're gonna die on the road. Good. Do I get the house if you die? Can you put me in the wheel?
Can I get the house if he dies?
No, you have a house.
I like this house better.
That's a chunky battery.
You could throw so many of those in the ocean. You know how many sea turtles you killed with the purchase of this bike?
You want to fight?
No, we have a sponsor code.
By the way, you do know that whatever the crap you're eating, that's not how you gain muscle or weight. That's just like how you kill your kidneys and stuff, basically. I was looking at it, what the hell are you eating? Eat more pasta, eat more rice, eat more pasta.
I don't like those textures.
Oh my god, you're one of those.
Is there a screw on the bottom?
No, it's just, there's nothing in there.
Stop fingering.
I'll leave you to the finger, whatever. Have fun.
Yeah, my husband's not here. We got to finger an e-bike together.
He's got such a soothing voice that I tried to watch the video 3 times, but twice I fell asleep.
It's all falling apart.
Do you need help?
Like beads came out.
The bearing?
The bearing fell out.
Uh-huh.
I need help.
Well, I'm holding the camera.
China, that's sitting on top. 50 feet tall.
Yeah, husband.
I need help.
I don't know what you want me to do. Oh my god. Here, take the camera.
I feel kind of like homosexual. It's kind of torquey. It's actually very torquey. And it just kicks in. Man, I've never ridden a pedal assist. It's so bizarre. Have you?
No. I got my bike out of the fucking trash.
Oh, it's on eco mode. So, oh, there's a sport mode. I'm impressed. I don't. It's heavy, but it's quick.
You're gonna
It
get.
has a turbo mode. Wait, it has turbo plus mode. Okay, wait. You should try it.
I think I would die. Uppies. Woo. Oh, is that the suspension? I've never had a bike with working suspension. Mine was just stuck. Do you understand what dumpster bike means?
See, it's cool.
Yeah.
And you could put a lot of stuff on the back and it'll be stable.
Yeah.
It looks like it's...
Sorry.
How does the headlight work? Can you turn the headlight on?
How do I do that?
Oh!
I always stand on bikes.
Yeah, you saw me do that.
I don't actually know the price.
No, film me. You're gonna be so mad when you look through this footage.
This bike is so big and heavy that I can't actually use my bike rack for it. I had to bring my entire trailer. Pop in the battery. It's such a big battery. You could just pack more batteries with you and just go forever. And we're on. Ugh, look at this, I'm going up the hill in 6th gear. Cruising. So easy to get up this. I get why e-bikes are so popular now. So we're actually gonna drive to the city. I'm about 25 miles away. I've never actually biked to Raleigh before. So, and I've never ridden this bike before, so it'll be a totally new experience. Also, I just immediately, out of habit, lift my legs super high, but I don't have to. It's just a step through. I can just, boom. Very pug. And so I wanted some sort of reward once we get to Raleigh. So we're gonna go to the mall and get some food. I think a pretzel. This is so weird. It just goes. I'm like not even doing anything. We're going quick too. And then of course I have the throttle just at my thumb whenever I want, just electricity. I almost hit my head on that. I'm currently riding it like I ride a mountain bike. I don't think it's meant to be ridden like a mountain bike, but like this is this is just throttle. We're gonna make our way to the Greenway. NC has some incredible greenways, and we can basically make it to the mall just on trails, which I think is so cool. We can actually make it to the next city over almost entirely with trails, which is like insane. I love NC. Oh, I'm in Turbo Plus. Oh God, please stop. Okay, we're just gonna bike normally for a minute. I was pushing myself there. It maxed out at 25 kilometers. It's like it just stopped. I thought it was supposed to go 29 miles an hour. Oh! Is there some like safety feature on it? Yeah, it cuts off at 25. Oh, you have to unlock the top speed. Okay, we're almost at the trail though, so that's cool. It's very stable. I think the weight definitely adds to the stability. The seat sits forward a little bit, like I feel like I'm gonna slide off the front. Oh, this is so pretty. Way more comfortable than the one wheel. And my legs won't be getting sore anytime soon on this. It's so stable. It's like a little baby motorcycle. Oh, I want it to go faster. How do I unlock it? It does not turn well without hands. This just really wants to go in a straight line. Come on. Okay, I mean, we're getting this turn. All right, we made that turn. I just passed an off-road bit. I don't know where it goes. I've never ridden an e-bike off-road. Oh, these tires are slippery. Ow, goddamn. Not the most forgiving suspension. Where are we going? I'm gonna get so lost. Oh, there's bike prints. Oh, okay, this is so tight. I will be honest though, having a throttle is pretty nice on this. It's my first time on a mountain bike trail like this, and my first time on a cargo e-bike. This is so stupid. Oh shit. Oh. I'm having fun though. Wow, look at this. This is so pretty. Pretty brown. The main problem I think is the tires are so slippery. If I pop a hole in this tire, it's gonna be so sad. I have no way to fill it, and this bike is 100-something pounds. There's people up there. Uh-oh, it's stuck. Oh, private property. Woo! Oh my god, slippy. Whoa! No traction. I probably look so ridiculous. Like, what is bro doing on a commuter bike in my backyard? The brakes are interesting. Is this how I went? I don't remember that. The whole thing is like, I feel like it's gonna fall apart. All right, we're back. Just like that, we're back. It can go on trails. Hard to complain. That was actually really fun. Great, my trail's blocked off. I had detailed directions written out, but so much for that. I'm gonna have to find another way, I guess. I'm actually pretty hungry right now. I'm hungry. God, man, I just need to get that. Oh no. Wait, what am I gonna do? I have to go across that river, and then like it's fine from there. The only other ways to get there is highway. What do I do? Is it like really 100% blocked off, or can we like get through anyway? The trail's there, it's just because they're blasting. They just don't want me to blow up, I guess, which is pretty thoughtful of them. Oh wait, I could fit through there. It looks like someone actually forced it out of the way to get through. I'm not completely sure what to do. We're just gonna do some backtracking. So this is 23 miles an hour, and that was just from me pedaling. Yeah, I'm pretty hungry, so I think I'm gonna go to a much closer town to go get food. Okay, so my battery just dropped to 4 out of 5 bars. So we've used 20% battery already. So 7 miles, 20%. So we're gonna get 35 miles with my current battery usage. So that's good, because I've been holding the throttle a lot, just like this, going full speed. All right, and we've made it into town. So all the crosswalk things have bags over them, out of order. Hey, it's me on my utility bike. Man, I wish I could e-bike everywhere, but I live too far out, because this is fun. There's Chick-fil-A, oh my goodness. Why does the tire feel weird now? It's all vibrating. Woohoo, we made it. And since I happen to be next to a source of power, who knows what 20 minutes will get it. I'm curious if it'll go back to full bars. Oh yeah, milkshake maxing. The first question is, can I drink my milkshake through my helmet? Kind of. Second question, did the battery charge at all in that 15-20 minutes? I mean, it probably did, but it's still at 4 bars, so that's not surprising. I'm gonna try not make the ride too bumpy so I don't like vomit. It does not like going in reverse. Is it good? Wait, is my tire flat? Oh my god, the tire's flat. What happened? I got a flat tire. Wait, that's so bad. Oh, this isn't good. It literally just went flat while I was in Chick-fil-A. Oh, I'm getting tired. That gravestone says born 9/11/1909, died 9/11/2000. I don't know. I've never seen a date like that. That's interesting. Smith. Oh, what happened? What the hell? Oh no. Why'd it stop? Well, it just, dude, this is hard to push without the accelerator, and it's not oh no. Okay, I see my car next to a news interview. Why did you fall? Yeah, good enough.